Students, how are you all? It's good to hear that you all are fine. Okay? Are you ready for lesson today? I am your English teacher and I am giving you English lesson. Are you ready? Yes, that's good. You are looking very energetic today. Okay, let's start our lesson. What is this? What is this? This is new letter for you. Kha. 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 Kha is a phonic. Now we will going to learn what are the things start with letter Kha. Kha, kha, khar. Kha, cup. Kha, comb. Kha, candle. Kha, cap. Now we will going to do an activity. See, this is a salt tray. I have taken this salt tray. You can use sand rice as well. Now we will going to trace letter Kha on this tray. You have to follow me, students. Are you ready? Yes, let's start. Make a semicircle makes letter Kha. 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 Okay. I am going to show something. This is your English book. Kha cup, kha car, kha cow, kha carrot.